SpaceWalk for iOS launched last week, and it hit number 2 in the App Store music category. It's had over 1,000 downloads since launch, which for a solo indie developer is, well, yeah, I'm pretty happy about that. So I wanted to follow up the trailer from last week and just show it running in a couple of different hosts, since that one was all Cubasis. This one is AUM. SpaceWalk's generating the progression. I've got it routed into Module Pro and Cinematics. Same setup you'd use for any MIDI AU. And here's Logic Pro. Slightly different workflow to get the MIDI routing going because you add it as a MIDI effect. But once it's set up, exactly the same idea. One thing that I've just pushed into the version 1.1.4 update. When you change parameters now, the changes queue up and apply at the next chord boundary. So you're not getting that jolt mid-chord when you tweak something. Makes it much nicer if you want to play with it more hands-on. Desktop users, that update's going to be coming your way soon. Launch pricing runs until December the 20th, $5.99 original equivalent until then, $9.99 after. The link's below if you want to grab it. Until next time, thanks everyone for your support and happy creating.